Hi again, guys. I am back at the cat food section because I love my cats, first of all. That's a good reason. I don't need any other reason for that, but because I feel like it makes some amazing sounds. All the bags, the crinkles, the boxes. I really like it. Now we have an issue. This is too far. Okay, lucky to be told. Okay. It's okay. Let's bring this one down. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so we have light in fat. So if your cat is on a diet, I think your dad should never be on a diet. Because it shouldn't be fat in the first place. Let's just say it. But yeah, I mean, we're pretty lucky with our cats because they go out a lot. We have an apartment, but it's like we have a garden as well, and they can go even outside the garden. Does that even make sense? So yeah, have Pro Plus. I mean, I know that those brands, they're full of like cereals, which is not the best for cats, as far as I can remember. I don't want to say anything stupid or inaccurate, but okay. Not bad, not bad. Okay, we have 80 cents off with the little coupon. Have salmon, chicken. Let's grab this one. Okay. Okay. This is what I have for my cat, but it's not for the senior. I think it's this one, the adult 1+. Yeah, that's this one. But it's pretty expensive compared to the other ones. I think my mom bought it on sale because she would never pay that price for a bag that is so small like that. Friskies. we have this 5 promises. Chicken or salmon. You see, when they put and vegetables, I don't think cats need vegetables, but I'm not sure. Don't want to say anything stupid again. So yeah. Beef and chicken. Luxurious, alright. Have the small bags of 1.5 kilograms. Let's push them up. And this one. Salmon and tuna. Here. Beef and chicken. Senior 11 plus. Sensitive 1 plus. We have turkey and this one, the green one. We also have beef. Trato urinario. Système urinaire. Those I've never seen. Oh, those are like filled. You see little red dots, filled with shrimp or filled with ham. We have this to do. Sometimes I like to take a step back to see what I did and what I didn't do. Okay. Let's put one. All right. Here. Can't push them. Sterilized cat. Okay. Have the big bag with salmon. We have 2 of them. Put my knees to the ground. Okay, and the last one of chicken for adult cats. Okay. Let's finish here. I didn't finish because there was a woman. It's too far for me to get. Yeah, it's too far. I'll just get the ones at the front. This is for kittens. Okay. Here. 3 kilograms of chicken. Let's come on the side to push this one. Okay, a lot of efforts here. And the last one. See if I can. No, I can't put 2 rows because there is only one. It looks okay. It looks good. I like it. I like it. It's alright. You just have to, like, here it doesn't look perfect. Yeah. Here too. But we can do our best. It's never going to be perfect. Let's not be harsh with ourselves. Okay. Yeah. That looks good. Alright. I'll just make 2 here to fill up the gap. Up. Perfect. That looks better. Alright. I'll see you very, very soon. It was a pleasure. Of course, as always, I have gray fingers now, but yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.